You've all seen the weather satellite pictures used on Breakfast Time and Thames News, but you may not have known that they come from here at IC. Well, we've come up to the top of the Huxley building where the pictures are received on the satellite dish you can see behind me, and now I'm going to talk to Chris England, who's a member of the team responsible for the pictures. Tell me, when did you first start receiving the weather satellite pictures here?
That was right after the group moved over here from University College, which is the beginning of this academic year, so probably around the second half of October.
Yeah. And which satellite do the pictures come from?
That's Meteosat 2, which is a European Space Agency meteorological satellite situated in geostationary orbit over the equator, over Greenwich Meridian in fact. It transmits images once every half an hour, but we only generally receive the infrared ones, which are transmitted once an hour to make the weather movie, so we have the continuity over the night-time regions.
Right, well now let's go down to the computer room where the pictures are processed and take a look at a few of them. Now I have Kevin Tildesley, who's busy making a movie. These programs look pretty complex. How long did they take to write?
I think all the software that we use has been something like 1 man year in developing software development to get it working. The first thing I put in is what we call a surface data set. Sets land and sea particular values within the refreshable frame store device. If I then take, say, for example, the latest satellite image and put it in a different channel.
And that's a picture you received from Meteosat direct, is it?
We get these images every hour on the whole on the Meteosat, which, as you know, is located at 0 longitude, 0 latitude. I can strip out the very low-lying cloud. This is important, especially at night, because being an infrared image, the sea and land temperatures can have the same temperature as your low cloud.
Yeah.
And so it would just appear to the viewer. It would just appear to the viewer as one grey image, so we take out the low cloud.
Well, that's how the weather satellite pictures are received and decoded. And don't forget, you can see an up-to-the-minute weather forecast after this news break.